I knew ISB. Okay, so it was clear I knew ISB because I'd come and taught in ISB in the very first year of ISB's existence, 2001. I went there, I started working with a person by the name Keith Mernian. Keith is one of the doyens of that. So I started working with Keith. So my mom got married very young. My mother had me when she was 17 years old.
Maybe this is going to be another story which has been untold so far.
You know, the center of gravity in the world, right, in terms of economic activity, you can see there's a dramatic shift towards the east. So you can see, I mean, obviously China is a powerhouse, India will be another kind of a powerhouse and so on. There should also be a significant shift in the production of knowledge. We are not one of the powerhouse research countries in the world, right? So China is catching up with the US in a lot of things and even surpassing the US in some of those. If you look at Indian institutions, the elite Indian institutions, so the students are completely world class. Okay, they are exactly the same as what you'd get in the top institutions. We are not a democracy here. Okay, so this is not an organization that's a democracy. So we listen to people. I can't say I'm going to take a vote, a popularity vote, and then we're going to do what we need to do. That isn't what it is. It isn't hard if you don't have an ego. You're the most important person in that one, and the spotlight should be on you. Then it's a difficult job.